Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It is Wednesday, and on Wednesdays we have quick and easy face painting tutorials with Simone. So if you want to know how she created these lovely spring flowers, please keep watching. To start out this design, Simone is first coloring her eyelids, because that is always something we like as a woman, and that is done with the Star Green metallic color by Superstar. So once those eyelids are green, we continue to a split cake by Fusion Body Art. This one is called Ocean Breeze, and as you can see, it has all blue colors in there. And with it, Simone puts a flower on the center of the forehead, but also next to the eyes. And as this is a symmetrical design, Simone puts the same flowers on each side of the eyes. Now the flowers are on the skin. Simone continues to double dipping, and the colors she is using to double dip these flowers on the skin is Essential Black Eye by Diamond Effects with white. And as you can see, that gives a lovely pink white flower. And once these are on the skin, she continues to blue double dip flowers created with white with a bit of Snow Patrol on the tip of the brush. They fit the Ocean Breeze split cake very well. A bit of the dark green by Superstar to put some flowers under the flower that is in the center of the face, and also a few teardrops with the same color of green. And finally we switch to just white for the usual dots and stars. So you can put them around the flowers, on the inner corner of the eyes, and you can put the stars on the forehead. Finally, a dark purple lipstick. This is the Imperial Purple color by Superstar. And with that, our spring leaves face paint for today is done. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.